I am gonna see if this is true. Can you get the Mavic Mini 2 before it's even released? I've been on Facebook and watching YouTube videos, and I've just been seeing all these people getting the Mavic Mini 2 prior to its announcement. It hasn't even been announced, released, any of that. So I am going to 2 locations here in the North Phoenix area, one in Scottsdale, one that's actually in North Phoenix, to see if they actually have this drone at Best Buy. Okay guys, so I just pulled up to Best Buy and I'm about to go in and see if they have the Mavic Mini 2, or I guess call it the Mini 2 because that's what it looks like it's being called. So let's go inside and see if they got it. Okay guys, I'm inside and I'm headed toward the drone section. I think, I'm actually not sure where the drone section is, but I'll find it. I'm at the drone section and it looks like that may be it, but I can't really tell. No, it looks like that's just a regular Mavic Mini. Yeah, these are just regular Mavic Minis. Shoot. Is this it? No, that's not it. Yeah, it doesn't look like they have it at this Best Buy, but I think I'm gonna ask somebody real quick just to make sure. Mavic Mini. I found a shelf with more drones. Mavic Air 2. DJI Mini 2. Oh my God, I just found it, guys. Here it is, guys. I'm about to buy it. The Mini 2.
It's not available for sale.
Oh, okay, so you can't sell it.
Exactly.
All right.
So again, I forgot what it was, but I know they said they're holding it for like November. Which
yeah, I heard like mid-November, but yeah. I saw on Facebook and yeah, I just wanted to.
Not here, yeah.
Yeah, all right.
All right, well, man. Sorry about that.
Thank you. So unfortunately, guys, it was right in front of my eyes. I literally could touch the box through the cage and they won't sell it to me. Damn. So guys, there it is. And I can't get it. And I'll explain why. Apparently it was put out on the shelves by accident. It was not supposed to be put out on the shelves. So the past couple days that Best Buy has been selling these drones, it's been a total mistake and something that they actually shouldn't have been doing. Yesterday I went to a Best Buy in Scottsdale to try to pick up the drone and I didn't film any of it. And when I went there, it wasn't on the shelves, and stupidly, I didn't ask an employee. Chances are if I had asked somebody, it could have possibly had been in the store and they would have been able to sell it to me yesterday. But this morning, Best Buy got an email that basically told them to stop selling the drones and to pull it off of their inventory. So while the drone is here in the store, it's not in their system, therefore they can't sell it to me. But don't go anywhere just yet, guys. I am going to go over to Scottsdale and see if they will sell it to me there. Chances are they won't be able to sell it to me there, but I'm just gonna go see if I can get one, because that was my whole mission for leaving the house today, was to get a Mavic Mini. And I don't know, it's looking very unlikely like it's gonna happen, but let's see what they say at the Best Buy in Scottsdale. Okay guys, so I'm at the other Best Buy location in Scottsdale and I am about to go inside and see if they have the Mini 2. Now, chances are I'm about to be very disappointed, but it's worth a try, right? So I'm gonna go in and see if I can get this drone. Okay guys, drones are over here somewhere. Damn. Nothing. And you can't even see behind there. So yeah guys, like I said, I don't think they have it, but I'm gonna ask somebody, so hold on. Can I ask you guys a question real quick?
Absolutely.
Do you have the DJI Mavic Mini 2 in stock?
The Mini 2 unfortunately is not street dated yet, I don't think I know.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, sorry about that, man.
Do you know when you're gonna be able to? Okay, awesome. Yeah, I went to another Best Buy and they told me the same thing, but I figured I'd just check.
Yeah, if it was not street dated at a single Best Buy, it wouldn't be street dated at any other.
Yeah, I figured.
They all come out at the same time in a version.
Yeah, it looks like I can't even pull it up in my system here yet.
All right. Okay, guys, so I am disappointed, but if I had just acted one day sooner, if I had just the only Best Buy I went to yesterday was this one right here, and chances are they could have sold it to me if I had asked somebody. And if I went to the other Best Buy, I obviously would have seen it on the shelf. Unfortunately, yesterday I wasn't proactive enough, and today I was a little bit late. So to all of you guys that were able to get your hands on the Mini 2, you guys are so lucky and you guys acted fast enough. Be grateful that you have that drone, because that sucks. The early bird gets the worm, they say, and I was definitely not the early bird. So yeah, guys, I tried, and they don't seem to have a release date, but the guy at the other store said check on Sunday, so that's definitely what I'm gonna do. And yeah, we'll see if I can get my hands on it within the next week or two so that I can review it and talk about it for you guys. Okay, guys, so I just got back home, and to be honest, I am really disappointed because, damn, if I just went to another Best Buy location yesterday, I probably would have had this drone right now, and I probably would be making videos about it for you guys. So it was definitely a huge up on my part. Unfortunately, there's nothing I can do about it. So yeah, guys, so whenever it comes out is when you'll see it here on the channel. Whenever it officially comes out, it would have been awesome to give you guys exclusive access to an early view of the drone. Early bird gets the worm, like I said at Best Buy, and I definitely was not the early bird. I slacked. I definitely slacked yesterday. So anyway, thank you for coming along. If you made it to this point in the video, definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell, as well as the thumbs up button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.